to Cooking Meatless with Ken. Today what we're doing is we are cooking gardon, meatless, beefless, ground crumbles. And what we're going to do is we're just going to make like a little burrito, and then we're probably going to make it and use it to make lasagna. So here we go. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am putting this in a frying pan. You just put it in a frying pan on medium heat. And you just let it go, you know, until it's like a little bit brown. And yeah. Right now I make guacamole, homemade guacamole. I don't know if you guys can see that, homemade guacamole. I have, let me show you. I have cilantro right here. I have lemon, or what are they called? Limes. Oh my god. Can't think. And this is homemade hot salsa. It's very sweet, but very, 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 very good. So yeah, I'm super excited. And then of course, I had my hibiscus that I made last night. So, yay! I'm gonna show you guys finished products today, because I know yesterday I didn't really show you finished products. But today I'm going to. So stay tuned. Here we go. Alright guys, as you can see, we are all ready to sit down and have some amazing, amazing tacos. We have our cilantro, our pico, we have our tortillas, we have the hibiscus, we have the ground, meatless ground, we have chips for the salsa right here, and the guacamole. All homemade, all amazing. Can't wait to bite into this. Stay tuned for this ending. This is the finished product. This is hibiscus right here. And this is the ground meatless, groundless beef, I guess. But they're not beef though. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spice it up a little bit with a lemon. Now that I know the word lemon. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on there and put that on there. Okay. Alright, so first up is the hibiscus taco. Oh my god, it's so good. That's really good. Hey Abby.
What?
Are you ready to try some tacos?
I guess.
Oh my god, guys. Yes.
Oh, Jesus.
Super excited. Oop, be careful. Don't fall. Oh my god, don't fall.
You don't fall with the camera on.
I know. And we are here with Abby, and she's going to try the hibiscus / groundless, beefless crumbles. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and give this to her. I put this in the microwave for about 35 seconds before I put the tin foil on it, just to keep it warm and everything, and I'll tradition. So let's see.
Tradition?
Yeah. Okay, so be careful.
It's falling apart already.
I know, it's corn, so.
They're not terrible.
No? They're good?
Could use some cheese. I like cheese on my tacos.
Okay, see, and I'm a vegan, so like I didn't have cheese on it, but basically I'll put cheese on it. I was gonna put cheese on it for you, but just for those that eat cheese and stuff. So you like them? Mm-hmm. All right. Yes. Okay. Yeah. It reminds you of steak. She said it reminds her of steak. Yes.
Like not the same flavor.
So excited.
But like the same look and consistency.
Tendency, right? Yeah. Yeah. That what's reminding you of the steak is the hibiscus flower. Mm-hmm. I told you, right? Alright guys, well this is Cooking Meatless with Ken. You heard it from Abby, you heard it from me, and you heard it from Fidel, that we all love it. We thought it was really, really good. Great recipe. If you guys haven't made the hibiscus flowers and turned it into like a meatless or kind of substance, do it. Guys, I had an amazing time cooking this hibiscus flower, this groundless beef, and soon to be our mushroom and Swiss veggie burgers. Yes, that's coming. That's the next video, and you guys are gonna be excited. Plus, we're doing the like whole tofu and everything. We're gonna actually, well, we make our tofu very, very firm, so it's kind of like a hard like chicken and everything like that. She wants to be my guinea pig. That's cool with me. All right, guys. Bye.